Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to teach you on how to record your laptop screen with Camtasia software. So let's see. Alright, so in this tutorial I'm using Camtasia 2023, whatever version of Camtasia you are using, maybe 2021 or 2022 or 2023 or 2024 or the latest version that was just released. Consider to follow this step in this video and see how you can capture your screen without any stress. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the tab right here, click on this icon, and this is going to pop up. Now you have three different options right here. What you need right here is new Camtasia video recording. Click on that. And this window here is going to pop up. So you have to set some of the information right here. Now you have different options by which you can use to capture your screen. So click on this particular icon right here. So navigate to this tab right here and click on here. You can choose a region to screen record. You can also come by different format right here. So you can see different formats that you can use to record your screen. So if you choose all the screen, you are good to go. You can also choose a custom screen. So if you choose a custom screen, this will allow you to record some part of the area. Choose a region, then this is going to ask you to record some part. So if I drag this way, I might decide to record all this part of my PC. So you can see my recording section right here. So that is that. Then you can, so for you to start the recording, make sure your mic is connected. If you are using external inbuilt PC mic, but if you are using external mic, click on here and choose your mic. You are good to go. Then make sure your sound system here is enabled. Once you set on everything, then click on start recording, just like so. And within a few seconds, at a count of 1 to 3, then you start recording the portion area that you select that you want to record on your PC. When you are done with your recording, what you need to do is to simply click on this particular button right here, and the recording is going to stop, and it automatically load you into Camtasia video editing workflow. Just like so. So you can see your video right here, and this is the part that we decide to record. So you can play the video. It's as simple as that. Then down below right here, you have different formats that you can use to import the video into the Camtasia video editing workflow, such as 16:9. You can see the wider screen. Then also vertical video for TikTok or YouTube short or Facebook video. Then you can move to another format right here, which is Instagram format, which is square, which can be uploaded on Instagram or your LinkedIn page. It's as simple as that. Then if you would like to start all over with your screen record, you can simply click on start all over. Then you want to save this file or not, you can save the file into your desktop, but this is just a primary stuff, tutorial stuff. So I'm going to simply delete, and it will take me back into Camtasia video editing workflow. Then I can simply bring out my recording screen window right here. Then I can go back to my region. So just like I explained in the beginning of the video, we can record in any part of the one we want. Let's simply go back to screen 1, which is the full screen of this PC. Now, just like the way you set up everything, then you can simply click on start right here. And at a count of 1 to 3, then your screen starts recording. So I'm going to minimize this Camtasia. So I'm going to bring out some of the folders, just like so, just to record some of my screen right here. Now I'm going to simply click on here, and you see everything once I'm finished with the recording. Now, if you want to pause your recording, what you need to do is to simply click on here, the record pause. Then you can, if you want to continue with the recording, simply click on here, the record continue. Alternatively, if you want to use some of the shortcut key, you can use the shortcut key on your keyboard. Now, when you are done with your recording of your PC and you want to stop recording with the shortcut key, simply press F10 on your keyboard, and the recording is going to stop. And in a few seconds, it's going to pump up just like so. Now we have different formats. You can go back to wider screen right here. You can see it, everything is full. Then you want to switch back to vertical. just like so. Then you can adjust everything right here. You want to switch back to square, just like so. But in this regard, some of the information cut off. This is because this is not the settings we choose when we try to start recording. We try to choose all the full screen of the recording. So basically, if you are trying to upload your video in some of the platform, you have to make sure that you choose the setting that is suitable for the platform. It's as simple as that. Then if you want to check on the layout of your video, you can simply click on layout right here. There are a bunch of layout here that you can simply choose anyone that is suitable for your work. You can change the video background if you would like. You can also scroll down right here and choose different templates that you can use for your background. It's as simple as that. The effect tabs right here. You want to add some of the cursor effect. This allows you to choose anyone from the point right here. You want to add border to your video, you can choose anyone right here. The cursor effect, which allow you to see the cursor each time you are trying to work. Each time you click on anything in the screen, the cursor effect is going to be pump up. Then filter effect, you can also click on it and choose anyone that is much suitable for your screen recording. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how best to record your screen with Camtasia video editing software. Whether custom recording, regional recording, full screen recording, everything has been fully explained in this video. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.